Welcome! In front of me I have LG K42 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First, let's go to the screen we want to capture. For example, I'm gonna open the Chrome browser. And now to take a screenshot, we need to press and hold the power button and volume down button together. You will hear the sound and this window will appear at the bottom of the screen. That means you took the screenshot. You will also get the notification that the screenshot was saved. And here you can share it, edit it, or delete it. If you take a screenshot again, whenever you take a screenshot, I'm gonna take it again. Oh, my bad. Let's press and hold it together. You will see this menu right here. And here we have scroll screenshot option, edit, delete, and share screenshot. You can also take a screenshot by opening the quick panel, by swiping down from the top of the screen twice, like this. And here we have screenshot option. Tap on it, and the screenshot will be taken, like this. And that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.